The air is cold and crisp today. Snowflakes sparkle bright. Pine cones hang from frosty trees, and cardinals take their flight. The forest hums a Christmas tune as icicles all chime. Nature's singing everywhere. It's winter wonder time. It's a nature Christmas. Come along and see animals and evergreen and gifts from every tree. It's a nature Christmas. Let's learn and play today. Helping Earth is the best gift we can give away. The squirrels are busy storing nuts. The deer walk 2 by 2. Foxes leave their snowy prints.
Hey explorers, I'm Miss Kate. Today we are at Mystic Christmas Tree Farm, a magical place filled with evergreens. Have you guys ever wondered why evergreens stay green all year long? Well, today we're gonna find out. Come along! Evergreens are amazing. Unlike other trees that lose their leaves in the winter, they stay green all year long. That's due to a special waxy coating on the outside of the needles that helps to keep the water inside. They also produce a special nutrient that helps to keep that water from freezing. That's how they stay green all winter long, even in the coldest of winters.
Caring for the world we love makes Christmas extra worthwhile. It's a nature Christmas. Come along and see animals and evergreen and gifts from every tree. It's a nature Christmas. Let's learn and play today. Helping Earth is the best gift we can give away. Let's make a wish for every tree, for ocean, sky, and land. We'll promise to protect them all, together hand in hand. No wrapping paper needed.
Hey explorers, do you know how many types of evergreens there are in the world? There are over 600 species of evergreens, including cedar, pine, spruce, and fir. Let's enjoy some of the wonderful trees they have here on the farm and learn a little bit more about them.
Winter comes, they stay bright green, the prettiest trees you've ever seen. Evergreens forever green, year-round leaves that always gleam. Pine and spruce, fir so high, juniper reaching to the sky. Evergreens forever green, nature's winter evergreen team. Pine trees grow their needles long, whispering winds make a soft tree song. Their pine cones fall from up above, a gift from the forest that we all love. Evergreens forever green, year-round leaves that always gleam. Pine and spruce, fir so high, juniper reaching to the sky. Evergreens forever green, nature's winter evergreen team. Spruce trees have their needles tight, blue and green and shining bright. Branches strong and reaching wide, critters hide, they're safe inside. Many types sturdy, tall and true, nature's guardians through and through. Fir trees grow in perfect rows, soft flat needles on their boughs. Christmas lights look best on these, firs make the perfect holiday trees. Evergreens forever green, evergreens for evergreen trees.
Hey explorers, let's find out why evergreens stay green all year long. We've got some evergreens here that have been soaking in the alcohol, and we're going to take some fresh evergreens right here. We're going to pour the rubbing alcohol onto our ice blue Christmas tree pines. Woo! Making a little mess. We'll let that soak a little bit, and when it's done soaking, it'll pull out all of that beautiful green pigment. That's the chlorophyll that's deep inside of those evergreens. what we'll do is we're going to take one of these coffee filters. We're going to stick it down into our evergreens here, and we're going to let those soak for just a little while. And then whenever we pull them out, we'll be able to see that pigment on the paper, and we can show that against a red leaf and see the difference from the pigment of a red leaf from our past experiment to the green pigment from the chlorophyll in the evergreen.
In my nature laboratory, I explore every day. Bugs and flowers, rocks and seeds, I watch them all at play. The butterflies flap their wings, the ants march in a line. I write it down, I draw it out, my experiments are fine. In my nature laboratory, come and play with me. Look at all the things we find outside so carefully. Mixing science with adventure, learning every day. In my nature laboratory, let's explore and play. The pond is frogs that jump so high, the tadpoles swim around. I measure water, count the fish, and see what can be found. Leaves turn color, squirrels run fast, the clouds drift in the sky. I ask, why does this happen? And I watch as time goes by. In my nature laboratory, come and play with me.
President and Mrs. Eisenhower arrive for the annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony, where they are joined by Vice President and Mrs. Nixon. Before a crowd of thousands, the stage bears the traditional message of the season, and President Eisenhower delivers his own as he tells the nation that world peace is up to Russia. In the distance is a 60-foot spruce, which at the president's touch is illuminated with 9,000 lights. This tree is a symbol of the world's hopes, the hopes for peace.
Long ago, people used evergreen trees to celebrate winter because evergreens stay green even when everything else looks sad, sleepy, and cold. They believed the trees were a symbol of hope, small little reminders that spring would soon come back again. About 500 years ago in Germany, families started bringing small evergreen trees inside their homes around Christmas. They decorated them with apples, nuts, tiny toys, handmade decorations, and even little candles to make them sparkle. Christmas trees became popular all around the world. Families love decorating together every year. What is your favorite Christmas ornament to put on a Christmas tree?
Holiday trees, evergreens for evergreen, evergreens for evergreen trees, evergreens for evergreen, nature's winter evergreen team. Juniper trees with berries blue, spiky branches poking through, tiny birds love hiding there, a cozy nest with tasty air.
Today we learned why evergreen trees stay green all year long. We met the amazing trees here at Mystic Christmas Tree Farm. We learned the history of Christmas trees, and we got to do a fun science experiment. Thank you so much, Mystic Christmas Tree Farm, for letting us come enjoy your beautiful farm. If you guys are in need of a Christmas tree, come down and check them out and let them know that Miss Kate sent you. Thank you guys so much, and keep exploring. Bye, adventurers!
Come along and search with me, there's so much in nature to see. Grab your vest, your boots, your guide, it's a scavenger hunt, come outside. With Mrs. Kate we learn and play, let's explore the world today. Find a leaf, a rock, a bug, a tree. So many wonders wait for you and me. Look up high, look down low, treasures hide where flowers grow.